In this video, I'm going to take a look at the newly updated Amazon Prime Video app because Google Chromecast is back on it. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Simon, your guide to all things tech. So for a while now, the Amazon Prime Video app does not support Google Chromecast. I mean, back in the day, there were some workarounds such as launching a Google Chrome browser and then casting the tab while playing the video back. It was a workaround, but it wasn't a practical one. But now, the Amazon Prime Video app now supports Chromecast. I had a chance to actually play around with it, and I just want to go over it with some of the features that it has. So basically, you can install the Amazon Prime Video app now, or update it on iOS or Android, and it's pretty simple to use. All you do is launch the application and hit the cast button and play the video that you like, and you get features like, skip 10 seconds forward, skip backwards, the usual play and pause, and you also get the ability to pick subtitles and also the close any different audio settings that they might have. And the performance on it is pretty quick as well, and it just feels nice having the ability to cast Amazon Prime videos to your Google Chromecast. It's just no more frustration around it anymore, because when you have a Chromecast, I mean, you gotta kind of have like the big three content provider, which is our Netflix, Hulu, and the third one will be Amazon Prime Video. So for a while now, Google Chromecast only supported Netflix and Hulu, or actually Netflix and Hulu supported Google Chromecast, and it wasn't Amazon Prime Video. And that was like the missing piece to have all those three components, to have that as one great entertainment system you have using your Google Chromecast. But now it's complete. You have the complete triangle now. So now you could cast your videos from Netflix, from Hulu, and now even Amazon Prime to your television, which is great. And overall, I actually like the features. The thing I did notice that when I was casting some of the videos, I never noticed this when I was watching videos on the browser, is that some of the videos are starting to play ads now before they actually start the show. So that's kind of weird. I don't know if it's only in the Prime Video app that only happens during the casting process of it, but I never noticed it when I was playing videos on the web browser. So that's something you might want to keep an eye out for. There might be some ads before your video actually starts. But what do you guys think? Are you excited that Amazon Prime finally supports Chromecast again? Do you have a Chromecast? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified of new videos.